Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to process the salary revision arrears. Salary revision arrears must be paid when an employee's salary is revised from a retrospective date. There are instances when the salary revision is updated, but the increment payments are deferred or postponed. Once the new salary is updated, the same must be processed for the arrears to be calculated. On the homepage, click Transactions, click Manage Revision under Compensation, click Process Revision Arrears under Workflow, select the month from the drop-down, select a single location or select all, click Process. Arrears will be processed for all eligible employees, which will be paid in the current month's payroll. To process the arrears employee-wise, check the box Employee-wise, select the month, enter the employee code or name. The employee details will be displayed. Click Process, and the arrears will be processed for that employee, which will be paid in the current month's payroll. To import the revision arrears in bulk for more than one employee, check the box Employee-wise, select the month, click Bulk Import, click Download Template here. The list of employees for whom the arrears must be processed will be reflected in the file. You can consider all the employees or specific employees. Save your file, click Choose File and select the file, and click Import. And your file is imported successfully. Once your file is imported, click Process, and the arrears will be processed for all eligible employees, which will be paid in the current month's payroll. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.